team. I just wanted to come to you and give you some options for your now online course as we go through this quarantine. So I'm making this screencast-o-matic video for you so you can see what it does. The purpose of the video is just to help you with signing up for some of the sites. And then I'm going to go ahead and send you my Zoom meeting link and what we can do based on the interest. It wasn't that many people who said they needed help, but the ones who did reply, you can take my Zoom meeting link and we can set up I think the best thing to do is set up an appointment time. We can go in and I can show you all how to work with Screencast-O-Matic, create videos, and then create videos using Zoom, as well as creating shareable links that you can put on Edsby, where your students can go into your meeting links if you want to have live sessions, or if you want to just create a video where you work through problems and you want them to work asynchronously, they can actually pull up that video and utilize that video through Etsy without having to travel through multiple platforms. So those are things that we can do in our Zoom sessions. And I think the best thing is, again, is I'm gonna set up a I'm gonna set up a time, a couple time slots, and you all can sign up for a time slot. That way you all can come when it's more convenient for you. And it's not like we're setting up one time that isn't convenient for everyone. So, with that being said, the first thing I wanted to do is just show you Screencast-O-Matic, how it looks. As you can see, this is my screen. You To make a Screencast-O-Matic account, you want to go to screencastomatic.com/register. If you already have a Google account, the easiest thing to do is just to sign up through Google. When you sign up through Google, and I'll click where it says sign in, you can click whichever name, and I am going to go ahead. I'm going to click this one because I don't have an account, I believe, with that. You need to type in your password. And then it'll take you through starting the recorder. What you want to do is go ahead and download and install it on your computer because it's easier that way. Once you have it downloaded and installed on the computer, um, and I have it installed already, so I'm not going to click that. But when you click download and install, it's going to install like any application on your computer. It'll take you through the prompts. Uh, just let it download. And then what you want to do is go to your search menu if you have Windows and you want to type in Screencast-O-Matic, and you want to hit where it says, I unpinned it, but you want to hit where it says pin to taskbar. That way, when you look on your taskbar, you'll see the icon for Screencast-O-Matic, and you can open it up, you click on it, and you can start a recording immediately on your screen. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk about the editing features for it, how to make a video, how to upload the video to YouTube, and how to set a link to go to the video when we go into a Zoom session. When you download this, you might be able to download it and play with it yourself and set it up yourself or set up your videos yourself. So that is something that you may be able to do on your own, and you don't need a session with me, but if you want to, I am here and glad and happy to help. The other thing that we discussed is Zoom. So I'm going to create another video on Screencast-O-Matic to show you how to start with setting up a Zoom account, using your email, and how to set up sessions on Zoom. So we'll go through and we'll set up a couple sessions, and I'll have you guys create a meeting link. So we'll go through that. All right, bye.